What's up guys, Taylor here with Boogey Lights. We have a very special video for you today. On Monday, our good friends Jimmy and Sandy from Trying Something New brought us this 2024 Cyclone by Heartland. It's a 46-foot toy hauler, and we did the full package. See, they have a full perimeter underglow. We added wheel wells, we upgraded them to the heavy duties, we did 3 awnings, we did under the hitch, it keeps going on and on. But before we get into all that, I kind of want to start here. You can see the underglow. We have it on a color blending currently right now. We split it into 2 zones. So they have a zone 1 is their passenger side, their camping side. Zone 2 is the driver, and the reason we do that is so that they can shut off zone 2 over here. That way, if you're in close quarters, it'll allow you to shut off that hitch area. It'll also allow you to shut off the entire driver side. And before we head over to the passenger side, I want to show you where the brains of the operation is, which is inside their bay here. So we have 2 separate controllers. We have a dual zone controller for the underglow, and then we also have a super controller to power all the awning lights. The total time of installation was about 17 hours on this whole thing. It was a really fun project to work on. If you come up front, you'll see there's a lot of custom add-ons we did, one of them being the hitch cover up here. So they got 2 50-inch strips, and what we used on these, it's kind of hard to tell right now, but we use our smoke product. So anytime you have lights that you can potentially see if they're on the side of the RV for an awning or something that's like an eye level piece like this, we recommend either using a channel to kind of soften them and kind of clean them up. But in this case, we went with our smoke. So it's an RGB, a multicolor, and it has a little black tint of a coating over top the LEDs. Kind of helps them blend into the black RV. So they got 2 50-inch strips for both of the sides up here. Now, as we move to the passenger side, the first thing you'll notice up high is all the awning lights. So they have 3 separate awnings on this, about 46 feet worth of awning lights up there, and about 88 feet of LEDs on the bottom. So the bottom's like 1,600 LEDs, the top's somewhere around the 850 LEDs. So a lot of lights on this thing. You can see there's actually a custom piece we added here. It looks more like a roof perimeter. It actually extends past the awning to light up the entire side, make it look like one long awning over here. So they got a big 20-foot awning between right here on the camping side that has a 16-foot LED strip, and then we added a little 4-foot LED strip down at the end. There's about a 10-foot strip before the awning there. Moving down, you'll see the slide out. So we did the wheel wells, and we also did the bottom of the slide out. So that way it extends the light much further than what it normally would, and that's the good thing about these toy haulers. They sit up so high so the light really floods out, but then you add a piece like a slide out and it comes out so far. It looks awesome. You can see as we move to the back, we have the rear awning here. Now these are all just on our color rotation right now, so they just got the multicolor, and it'll go between the 7 preset colors that we have. Another cool factor is that those lights were white to begin with, and so what we ended up doing is tying in just the blue LED to their existing switch in there. So that way you're not completely cutting out your existing switch. You can still be able to flip the switch real quick and give you light when you're pulling into a campground, something fast, so you don't always have to go looking for your remote. As we move to the rear, you'll see they have the top awning up there. The underglow is still split into 2 zones across the back, so it actually shuts off the back half over, so we don't have any bleed that comes over here to your neighbor's side. And then we added about 150 LEDs to the brake tail turn. So you can see they got a 45 LED here, they got a 30 LED up there on the top. We tried to get it to match their existing lights there as cleanly as possible, and that way they get plenty of function out of these. These look cool, but they also add a nice safety feature. So when you're turning left, turning right, whoever's behind you, don't have to worry about them missing you anymore. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, you can go to our website at boogielights.com and check us out there. Everything that you see here was done in Florence, Kentucky at Boogey Lights. Give us a call and get lit up today.